Have you ever paused to ponder the magic that happens when you snap a photo on your phone or digital camera? How does a simple device capture a moment in time, translate it into digital data, and then display it for you to see? The answer lies with visual sensors and their role in image formation and processing. Visual sensors are the unsung heroes in our digital devices that make image capturing possible. These tiny devices convert light into electrical signals that can be read and interpreted by a computer. They are the eyes of our machines, giving them the ability to see and capture the world around us in stunning detail. But how does this process work? Let's break it down. Image formation begins when light from an object enters the sensor. The sensor, often a charge-coupled device or a complementary metal oxide semiconductor, captures this light and converts it into an electrical signal. This signal is a digital representation of the light's intensity at various points on the sensor surface. The image processing stage is where the magic really happens. The device's processor takes the digital signal from the sensor and begins to interpret it. It assigns colors to the different intensities of light, balances the shadows and highlights, and sharpens the details. The result is a digital image that closely resembles the scene that the sensor captured. Now, have you ever wondered why some photos come out blurry while others are sharp and clear? This is often due to the sensor's resolution. The resolution refers to the number of pixels in the sensor. The more pixels, the higher the resolution, and the sharper and more detailed the image will be. It's also worth noting that the size of the sensor plays a significant role in image quality. Larger sensors can capture more light, which leads to better image quality, especially in low light conditions. So to recap, visual sensors are the eyes of our digital devices. They capture light and convert it into electrical signals. These signals are then processed and interpreted to create a digital image. The quality of this image depends on the sensor's resolution and size. Visual sensors, image formation, and processing are the cornerstones of digital imaging. They are the reason we can capture and share moments in stunning detail. They are the reason our machines can see. So next time you snap a photo, take a moment to appreciate the complex processes at work behind the scenes.